I want a manicure. I want a manicure. I want a pedicure. I want a pedicure. I want gel nails. I want gel nails. I'd like a French manicure. I'd like a French manicure. I want my nails trimmed. I want my nails trimmed. Can you push back my cuticles? Can you push back my cuticles? I want my cuticles trimmed. I want my cuticles trimmed. I want my nails filed. I want my nails filed. I want nail polish removed. I want nail polish removed. I want a new nail design. I want a new nail design. I want glitter on my nails. I want glitter on my nails. I'd like to get nail extensions. I'd like to get nail extensions. I want my eyebrows shaped. I want my eyebrows shaped. I want my eyebrows waxed. I want my eyebrows waxed. I'd like eyebrow tinting. I'd like eyebrow tinting. I want eyelash extensions. I want eyelash extensions. I'd like to get a lash lift, please. I'd like to get a lash lift, please. I want a cleansing facial. I want a cleansing facial. I'd like a facial mask. I'd like a facial mask. I want to pluck stray hairs. I want to pluck stray hairs. I want a scalp massage. I want a scalp massage. I'd like hot oil treatment. I'd like hot oil treatment. I'd like to get a lip blush. I'd like to get a lip blush. I'd like to get microblading. I'd like to get microblading. I'd like to get an eyeliner tattoo. I'd like to get an eyeliner tattoo. I'm here for a haircut. I'm here for a haircut. I want to trim my ends. I want to trim my ends. I'm thinking about a new hairstyle. I'm thinking about a new hairstyle. I want my roots touched up. I want my roots touched up. I'd like to go shorter. I'd like to go shorter. I want my hair straightened. I want my hair straightened. I want my hair curled. I want my hair curled. I want layers. I want layers. I want my bangs trimmed. I want my bangs trimmed. I'd like to dye my hair. I'd like to dye my hair. I want highlights. I want highlights. I'm here for a blowout. I'm here for a blowout. I want low lights too. I want low lights too. I'd like a deep conditioning treatment. I'd like a deep conditioning treatment. I'd like to get ombre brows. I'd like to get ombre brows.